Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Today I am here to discuss on Landsat thematic mapper imagery. Landsats are the satellites that takes digital images of the Earth. It is any of various satellites used to gather data or images of the Earth's land surface and coastal regions. These satellites are equipped with sensors that sponsor to Earth reflected sunlight and infrared radiation. Landsat Thematic Mapper is a multispectral scanning radiometer that was carried on board Landsat 4 and 5. The first satellite in the series, Landsat 1, initially named as the Earth Resource Technology Satellite ERTS-1, was launched on 23rd July 1972. The satellite had a design life expectancy of 1 year, but it ceased operation only on January 1978. Landsat 2 was launched on 22 January 1975 and 3 additional Landsat satellites were launched in 1978, 1982 and 1984, which is called Landsat 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Landsat 6 was launched on October 1993, but the satellite failed to obtain orbit. A new satellite, Landsat 7, was launched in 15 April 1999. Currently, only Landsat 5 and 7 are operational. The Landsat project is a joint initiative of the US Geological Survey, which is called USGS, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA). The Landsat program consists of a series of optical or infrared remote sensing satellites for land observation. The program was first started by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, which is called NASA, in 1972, then turned over to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, which is called NOAA, after it became operational. Since 1984, satellite operation and data handling were managed by a commercial company, USAID. However, all data older than 2 years return to public domain and are distributed by the Earth Resource Observation System Data Center of the US Geological Survey. The Landsat Thematic Mapper sensor was carried on Landsat 4 and Landsat 5 and created images considering of 6 spectral bands with a spatial resolution of 30 meters for bands 1 to 5 and 7 and 1 thermal band, band 6. The approximate scene size is 170 km north-south and 183 km east-west, which is 106 million by 114 million. Thematic mapper could not resolve individual houses or trees, but it could record areas where houses had been constructed or forest had been cleared. Since 1984, Landsat 5 has gathered more than 7 lakh images and observed climate change, agricultural practices, development and urbanization of cities, ecosystem evolution, and increasing demand for natural resources. Let's see the orbit of the Landsat. The type of the Landsat is sun synchronous, altitude 705 km, inclination 98.2 degree, period 99 minutes, and repeat cycle is 16 days. Sensor specifications. Landsat Thematic Mapper has 7 spectral bands, 3 in the visible range and 4 in the infrared range. Band 6 is specially sensitive to thermal infrared radiation to measure surface temperature. The band wavelengths were chosen for their value in discriminating vegetation type, water penetration, plant and soil moisture measurements, and identification of hydrothermal alternation in certain rock types. All of the bands have a 30 meter pixel size except band 6, which has a spatial resolution of 120 meter. The Landsat program continuous archive provides essential land change data and trending information not otherwise available. Landsat represents the world's longest continuously accurate collection of space-based moderate resolution land remote sensing data. Landsat is an essential capability that enables the US Department of the Interior to wisely manage federal lands. People around the world are using Landsat data for research, business, education, and other activities.